Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAT Tutorials for Beginners to Advanced. So in this lecture, let's discuss about the next sweep type, which is nothing but a circle profile type and with the two guides and radius. So let us start with the generative shape design. So start shape and the generative shape design here, and then keep this part name as it is. And then let's try to click on this option, which is a sweep. And here you can see we have already covered this explicit type, line type, and we are into the third profile type, which is nothing but a circle. And out of this we have already covered this three guides option. So let's discuss about this two guides and radius. So let's discuss about what are the inputs required for this particular subtype here. So here it requires a guide curve 1 and guide curve 2, and then we need to provide a radius. So you can see this is G1 and G2, which are nothing but a guide curves 1 and 2, and R is for the radius. And then you can see the relimiters 1 and relimiters 2. So the interesting thing here is this radius. So the distance between these two guide curves is nothing but let's say if we have it as a 100 mm. So the radius the radius is at least it should be d by 2, which is nothing but 100 by 2, so which is nothing but a 50. So it should be at least 50 mm, and then it can be more, but at least it should be 50 mm. Otherwise at 20 mm it will throw an error. So let's try this with a practical demonstration, and then here we'll create a simple guides here. So let's draw the top plane. So here I will use the line command and create a simple line here. So this is our guide 1, and then one more I will create on the top plane. So again align this axis here and I click on OK, and then again I will create one more line. So let's create a line here. So let's just for demonstration purpose we'll keep some distance here between these two lines. So we'll maintain this as, let's say, 100 mm, and then exit the workbench. So now let's click on the sweep. So we have this guide curves 1 and 2, sketch 1 and sketch 2. So let's click on this sweep here, and then select this two guides and radius. So select the guide curve here and then the guide curve 2. So you can see the distance between these two guide curves is nothing but 100 mm, right? So if you keep this radius as it is, then it will throw an error. So you can see there is no solution for this operation, because there is no surface which can be possible having the radius of 20 mm and which will pass through these two guide curves. So that's why let's say so this radius it should be at least d by 2, which is nothing but a 100 by 2, which is 50 mm. So this distance here which basically act as a diameter. Okay, so let's try to put it as a 50 mm, and then let's preview it. So you can see, so there are it is possible, right? So there are some solutions here. 1 to 6 solutions are there, and again based on the requirement you can choose whatever the solution you want. So you can see the yellow preview here, yellow color section portion here, which will be act as an output. So if you try to click on next here and let's create preview, then you can see there is something has changed in between this. Again, if you click on preview, and then you can see now the surface is on the top side. So there are these are the solutions which we can use here. So again, based on the requirements, if you want this as a whole, let's try to click on OK, and you can see the whole cylindrical surface is created here. So again, let's double click on this. So the last one is again one more having with a surface, with a cylindrical surface. So in this way you can just try out, and you can use based on the requirement here. So you can see the surface is created, and now the radius of this is 50 mm. So you can change the radius from here as well. So not here, let's try from here. So now if you try to enter again let's say 49 mm, then it will throw an error. So let's click on OK, and you can see the circular sweep or the fillet operator, the radius value is too small. So this is not possible. There is no solution possible with this. So again I will double click on this, and then let's keep it to 50 mm. Again click on preview, and then you can see let's try this, and you can see here the surface is created. So one more we'll try here. Let's try to put the radius greater than 50. So let's try to enter as 100 mm, if this is possible. So this is possible. If you click on preview, then you can see there are different solutions we get here. If you click on OK, you can see the solution we get is this one, because the diameter for this will be 100 mm, and you can see the distance here is also 100 mm. Again let's try to change here. You can try with a different previews here. You can see the surface is created based on that. So there are multiple solutions with which you can try this out. And here you can also try out this relimiters. So let's keep this as 50 for now. Let's try to keep it 50, and just click OK. So now you can see so I want to change the solution as well. So let's change the solution here. Let's keep this one. No, this one will keep here, the bottom side surface. Okay, so now we'll try to add the relimiters here as well. So we have these two relimiters, relimiter 1 and relimiter 2. So here again you can add this with right click. So just click on the click on this, right click on this relimiter, no selection position, or we can say field, and then create a plane here. So just create a plane, and again I will just choose normal to curve, and then the curvature we need to select. So just select this curvature here. Either you can select any of the sketch here, guide curve here, and then instead of middle I will try to change it. So just create a point. So it will open up the point definition dialog here, and then here you can again select this point type on the curve. So I need to create a point on the curve, right? So that's why I need to select this on curve option, and here there is a lock here. So sometimes if you try to click on some of the edges here or some of the objects, then this will get automatically changed. But if you just lock from here, then if you try to click here, it will not going to be changed here, the point type. It will remain the same until you try to change it from here. Okay, so the CATIA will not take it by default. Okay, so just select the curve here. So I will select this curve again, and then here I will add the ratio of the curve length. So you can simply provide the ratio here. So if you want it in the middle, then you can simply provide it as 0.5. So just preview after it. It will create the point at the middle of this. Okay, but I don't want to add it in the middle. So let's try to enter at 0.7 and just click OK. So you can see the plane has moved to the 0.7 location. Okay, and then again click on OK, and then you can see the relimiter is added here. So again, if you want to change it, you can just click on this plane here, and then again you can click on this point option here, and then here you can change again if you want to change the ratio here. Let's say I want to keep it as 0.8, and then just click OK, and then you can see the plane has been moved to that position. Okay, so even you can see the relimiter one is applied here, and you can see the preview. Just click on OK, and you can see the sweep surface has been changed now. So again, let's say if you want to change the direction here, let's try to change it on this side, and then you will see the sweep is creating on the other side now. Just click OK. So in this way you can try this sweep type here with the two guides and radius. So again, if you just sorry, I will just keep this as it is. So if you try to change it to the other solution, then again that relimiter will reflect there as well. If we just try to change it here, and then you can see this is getting applied here as well, the relimiter here. And if you want to add the other one, then you can try this out as well, but I'm not going to try it now, because you can do that, right? Or maybe just try here. I will create a plane at the middle point here. Just try it here, and then we'll keep it as it is. Just click on preview and then click on OK. Now you can see it is in the middle. So this is the one of the Relimeter plane. You can see I will just unhide this. Let's unhide, and you can see the surface is created in between these two Relimeters now. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos, and please do share our videos along with your colleagues, friends, for their understanding. Thank you so much.